Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're taking a look here at one of our Salems. Most trailers have these nice little 751 keys on here, and they get a little stuck over time. I'm going to take a quick swig of my Monster Energy drink, which still hasn't given us a sponsorship yet. So this is one of the products that we sell at our parts department, lock keys. I don't know if Mark's got us in focus or not. Either way, call Big John and parts and he can get you taken care of. So we're going to take our 751 key off my janitor ring set. We're just going to start it right in there, and we're going to use the nozzle just to give us a little blast. I have a rag handy. It is a liquid graphite like thing, so it will stain up the camper if you don't wipe it off immediately. Now that I got that in there, give it another blast. There we go. Let's see if that works. Nice and easy now. So there's your simple fix to my baggage doors not opening. And oh, what do we have inside? Another monster. Take care. Give us a call, 1-800-232-3279 if you have any other questions. Thank you. Have a great day.